Hey everyone, this video is to show you how the live progress and reporting tabs for an assessment work. And so to do this, I'm going to have my teacher account pulled up on the left-hand side and then my student account on the right-hand side. As you can see, I've already attempted the assessment. I went back to the setup and changed it so that I could have 2 attempts. And you'll notice that this adds this question about how the final grade will be determined, either by the highest score or the last score, completely up to you. But going back to the live progress, this tab we found to be not especially helpful. It's not entirely accurate, and so I did submit an initial attempt. Let's start an attempt on my student account, and then let's see how this responds in live time. Nothing's happening, so let's go ahead and select our responses. The options here. Gonna get that one wrong. And then let's just say ice cream probably doesn't belong in a cookie. False. And you'll notice that the entire time, once I've submitted, it doesn't seem to indicate exactly where I am in the live progress on my second attempt. So again, this is not especially useful. It says that I've exited the assessment, but in reality, I am still very clearly in the assessment working on it. And so now it shows that I'm being active. Again, we don't recommend spending a lot of time on the live progress. It's not going to be very accurate for you. And so I'm going to go ahead and finish on the student side, and now it will once again say that I've submitted, which is fantastic. So going then into the reporting, this is what essentially it does. It's the average for each of your periods, and so it is a little bit more specific than the view statistics in the gradebook, which lumps all of your sections together. This, at least, you can differentiate by different sections. But something to keep in mind is that, again, it's only based on the overall score. It doesn't let you look at individual questions or anything like that. And so this, again, is also a little limited in how helpful this data is for you, just something to keep in mind. And then in our next video, we'll go back to the grading tab and think about how to use that one most effectively.